morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well, and you know very well that lockdown has been extended in India and we are in lockdown 4. So the world is temporarily closed and I have come here to update you regarding Corona on 18 May 2020. Let's know about the cases in all over the world have been surged up to 4.8 million and the deaths are beyond 3,80,000 and the recovered people are 60,000. So here you can see the tally of all the world where USA has occupied the position number 1 with total number of cases gone beyond 15,27,000 and the total deaths have been surged up to 90,978. Similarly, the case of these countries, European countries, Russia, Spain, UK, Brazil, Italy, France, Germany, these are also worst hit by this COVID-19 pandemic where the cases have gone beyond 2 lakh. And you can see our country India, which has on the position 11th with 96,000 cases till now and the deaths have been gone beyond 3,029. That means the situation of our country India is also not good. Despite it being in lockdown for many days, at least 60 days, we are not able to cope up, we are not able to contain with this COVID-19 pandemic and it has been increasing in many states all over the country. So here you can see the cases of India. Coronavirus cases have been surged up to 96,000 with total number of deaths 3,029 and the recovered people are 36,824. Here is the tally of all the states of our country India where Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Delhi are on the top position and they are the major hotspots of COVID-19. As you can see that the confirmed cases in Maharashtra have gone up to 33,153 and deaths have gone beyond 1,198. Similarly on second number, the neighboring country of Maharashtra, you can see Gujarat, which have the total number of cases are 11,379 and the deaths have gone beyond 659. National Capital Territory Delhi, you can see over here, the cases confirmed are 10,000 and total number of deaths committed are 160. So here similarly you can see the respective states and the cases and the deaths they have committed till now. So this is some of the news from the newspaper of today. You can see the relaxations given in lockdown 4. Here are some of the things which are allowed. That means buses, auto rickshaws and cabs are allowed. All the shops except those in malls and containment zones are allowed. Wedding with only 50 guests is allowed and funeral with not more than 20 people. Barber shops and saloons are allowed. Restaurants but only takeaways allowed. Cap on 33% which were given in lockdown number 3 but it has been removed now and work from home can be encouraged. Similarly, interstate movement of vehicles can be decided mutually by the states and delivery of essential and non-essential items allowed through online shopping platforms. So these are some of the things which is not allowed in lockdown number 4. Metro, air, rail services, school, colleges and malls, religious and political gatherings, night curfew that was from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. It is still in force and not be removed. Vulnerable groups like 65 years of age, pregnant women and children below 10, they have to remain at their homes. Wearing of masks is compulsory, okay, in public places and workplaces. States can decide the delineation of zones into red, green. That means the zones red, green and orange which was delineated by the center prior to this lockdown will be decided by the states now. So the authority to decide red, green, orange zone and containment zone will be decided by the states only. So here you can see the plight of some of the migrant laborers who are commuting to their homes and have not reached till now. He is Ram Pukar Pandit. He got to know about the death of his son on phone and he was not able to commute to his hometown Bihar during the lockdown and so not able to perform the last rites of his son and not able to see him at the last moment of his life. Likewise, you can see this picture that media is only just making story and nobody is helping these laborers out of these are just becoming the victims of politics but not getting help from anywhere, so that they are not able to commute to their hometowns in spite of having this lockdown period of 60 days at least. So guys, this was for Corona update of today. I will continue to update you regarding Corona and thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on it and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.